Good morning, students. Last class we discussed a few problems. Today we will discuss remaining problems. Okay, the problems. See, first of all we will discuss true or false. State true or false. Fifth problem in this exercise only. State true or false. State true or false and write correct statement. And write correct statement. And write correct statement. Okay. And first one is in the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called, the horizontal line is called y-axis. Y-axis. Second one. In the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line, the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. And next, the point which lies the point which lies on both the axes, on both the axes is called origin, okay. And next, the point 2 comma minus 3, the point 2 comma minus 3 lies in the third quadrant, lies in the third quadrant. Lies in the third quadrant. Okay. Once you see here, what they given? True or false? Already we discussed. Horizontal line, vertical line. This is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. This is horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. See what they have given in the Cartesian plane. The horizontal line. This line is called. They are saying y-axis. True or false? Say false. Why? Horizontal line is x-axis. So this is false. Okay, false. And next, second one. In the Cartesian system, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line which is called y-axis, they also given y-axis only. So true. True. The point which lies on the both axes, means x-axis, y-axis intersect with this point. That point is called origin. Yes, correct only they given. So true. True. The point 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 means plus comma minus. Plus comma minus. Plus comma minus. Plus comma minus means this is a fourth quadrant. This is a Q4. But they given here third quadrant. They given here third quadrant. Third quadrant means minus comma minus. Third quadrant means minus comma minus. So actually this is a fourth quadrant, but they given third quadrant. So this is a false. This is a false. And next. So minus comma minus means third quadrant. They given plus comma minus. Plus comma minus means that is a fourth quadrant. But they given third quadrant. Third quadrant means they given fourth quadrant. So it is a false. And next. Minus 5 comma minus 8. Minus 5 comma minus 8. Minus 5 comma minus 8 lies in the fourth quadrant. Lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. And next, the point minus x, the point minus x comma minus y, minus x comma minus y lies in the first quadrant. Lies in the first quadrant. Lies in the first quadrant where x is less than 0, y is less than 0. X is less than 0, y is less than 0. Y is less than 0. Okay, see, minus 5 comma minus 8. Minus 5 comma minus 8 means this is a quadrant 3, Q3. But they given here fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means plus comma minus. Plus comma minus. So this is a wrong. The wrong means false. False. And next, the point minus x comma minus y lies in the first quadrant. Actually here minus x minus y means minus comma minus third quadrant. But see here where x is less than 0. Where x is less than 0, y also less than 0 means minus x comma minus y is equal to minus of x value also less than 0 means again minus x comma minus of this minus of y also less than 0 means minus y is equal minus into minus x minus into minus y. Positive values only. Positive values means plus comma plus. Plus comma plus means compulsory first quadrant only. So this is the correct answer. First quadrant correct answer. And next. And next, see, they given here Find the, do this. Plot the following points on a Cartesian plane. Find the Cartesian plane. And next, after this, they given here exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. First problem is x, y, and xy should write. X comma y should write. Here see 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 3, next minus 1 comma 4, next 0 comma 11, next for 9 0, next for minus 4 minus 6. Okay, they given x value. These are all axes. These are coordinate. What we should write? We should write x comma y. We should write x comma y. X comma x value, y value. 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 3, and minus 1 comma 4, and here 0 comma 11, here minus 9 comma 0, minus 4 comma minus 6, minus 4 comma minus 6. So it is possible both quadrants also it is possible to find. This is first problem in exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3, second problem is, exercise 5.3, second problem is, are the positions of, are the positions of, are the positions of 5 comma minus 8 and 8 comma minus 8 comma 5 minus 8 comma 5 is same, is same. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay. Now see this problem. What they are saying is this is 5 comma minus 8. 5 comma minus 8. Here minus 8 comma minus 8 comma 5. Minus 8 comma 5. Plus comma minus. Plus comma minus, here minus comma plus. Minus comma plus means this is Q2, quadrant 2. And plus comma minus means this is quadrant 4. Okay. So actually these 2 points are not equal. Why? Because one is locating in second quadrant, one is locating in fourth quadrant. And check the values. Here axis, here x comma y, in that x comma y coordinate, axis is 5, here axis is minus 8, here ordinate is minus 8, here ordinate is 5. So not at all equal. These two are different. These two are locating in separate quadrants. One is second quadrant, one is fourth quadrant. So these are not equal. These are not equal. These are not same. These are not same. These are not same. Why? Because both are locating different quadrants. Both are locating different quadrants. And now They given here for plotting the points. You should plot and check the answers. What they are saying is plot the following points. Plot the following points on a Cartesian plane. On the Cartesian plane. Okay. And b of minus 2 comma 3, L of 5 comma minus 8, U of 6 comma 4, and E of minus 3 comma minus 3. Minus 3 comma minus 3. Just we should do horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line. This is x-axis. This is x-axis, and left side x-dash axis. X-dash axis. Upside y-axis, and downside y-dash axis. And here intersecting point, this is called O, origin. This is called O. And right side values are positive values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and upside positive values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Below the sea level. Below the sea level means negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is all. And now this is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1. Plus comma plus. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 2. Minus comma plus. This is quadrant 3. Minus comma minus. This is Q4, quadrant 4. Plus comma minus. Plus comma minus. On first one say B of 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3 means minus comma plus. Minus comma plus. So Q2. This is locating Q2. Q2 for minus 2. For minus 2, 3. For minus 2, 3. For minus 2, 3 means this is B. This is B. And next for L, plus comma minus. Plus comma minus means this is locating Q4. This is locating Q4. Fourth quadrant. So for 5 comma minus 8. For 5 minus 8. See, still more increase. Minus 7, minus 8. See. Q4 for 5 minus 8 for 5 here minus 8. This is the point. Which point to L? This is L. Next is 6 comma 4. This is Q1 first quadrant. For U 6 comma 4 means first quadrant. For 6 4. For 6, 4. This is U. And next, -3, -3. For -3, -3. This is quadrant 3. For -3, -3. This is E. This is E. Remaining problems also plot like this only. After that, check which diagram came. After all points joining means some different diagrams coming. We should find area also. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.